Having trouble installing iTunes on Windows? Don't worry. If you're facing errors, compatibility issues, or installation failures on Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7, this video will show you how to fix them quickly. Part 1. Why won't iTunes install on Windows 10 11? Incompatible Windows. Your version may not support iTunes. Corrupted files, leftover data blocks installation, antivirus firewall may block downloads, outdated system, older Windows may cause issues, low storage, not enough space for installation. Part 2. How to fix the issue, can't install iTunes on Windows 10. Fix 1. Update Windows. Fix 2. Download the latest version of iTunes. Fix 3. Restart your computer. Fix 4. Temporarily disable or uninstall security software. Fix 5. Log into your PC as an administrator. Fix 6. Completely remove iTunes and reinstall it. Part 3. Try the best alternative to iTunes. Assistant for iOS. If iTunes won't install, try Mobikin Assistant for iOS instead. This tool lets you manage, backup, and restore iPhone, iPad, and iPod data on Windows or Mac. No iTunes needed. Plus, you can preview and select files before backup. Step 1. Install and open Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Then connect your iPhone. Your device and file categories will appear. Step 2. Select a category to scan and view your files. Step 3. Preview and choose files. Then click Export to backup or Import to add data. Use Delete and Edit to manage files directly.